Hey there, I've been on a journey to find myself a pair of nice and comfortable headphones that fit within my slightly tighter budget, and I think I've finally found them. The search began after finally wearing my beloved Sony X3M earbuds on an airplane, and I learned that wearing them for an extended time of 2 hours or more, my ears actually begin to hurt and get ear fatigue. So I ended up trying over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones, though I do actually really like these for working around the house. If I was at a coffee shop or on the airplane, they do bleed audio and could bother other people around me. So what I ended up doing was I went to Best Buy and Micro Center and actually tested a handful of brand name flagship headphones to see which I liked best for sound, comfort, and actually the make, like how they're designed. Some surprisingly felt really plastic-like and worried me about their longevity, especially since I plan on using these headphones when I'm out on the go and traveling. So which ones did I end up choosing? I ended up liking the 2023 Bose QuietComfort model, and that's this one here. This model actually comes in a wide variety of colors, so of course, I bought the Cypress Green. How could I not? The Bose QuietComfort models have a really nice, sleek design you see many travelers wearing in the airport. It has the typical folding feature for storage that Bose is known for, and it even comes with its own traveling case. Now, you might be wondering how much it costs. This model retails for $350, though I snagged mine during the latest Prime Day sale and got mine for $200. Let's go ahead and open these headphones up, give them a listen, and take a closer look at their features. Of course the tab would tear on me, just my luck. Press play, pause the rest. Cute. As for the packaging, it's pretty simple and clean. Not anything too crazy. It does have a thing here that says, cue the music, start here. So this is to set up my Bose app, which I don't have. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I just got done installing my Bose app and setting up my account, which was super easy. So that's one nice thing to check off the box. Nice and easy account setup. What I want to do next is really test out these headphones, connect the Bluetooth, and see what they're all about. So first things first, these headphones do use 5.1 Bluetooth. The QuietComfort headphones do have the upgraded noise cancellation. There are actually these little grills around on each headphone that actually picks up the audio in the space around you and actually helps cancel the noise better. So I am really excited to try these on and test them out. So let's go ahead and put them on, turn them on, and connect them to my Bluetooth. They're already really comfortable. They are lightweight. They stay on my head pretty well, which is really nice. Already cutting out a lot of noise. That's super cool. All right, let me go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth. So this is the page that we actually get after setting up our headphones in the Bose app. To start though, I want to check out the modes of noise cancellation. So let's start with the awareness mode. And this allows me to hear my surroundings. I can definitely hear myself, and this would be good for working around the house or in an office where you still need to be aware of your surroundings. Next is the quiet mode, which is the noise cancellation mode. This will be really good for traveling, coffee shops, and other loud areas for sure. This sounds really nice. It's very dense, like I can feel it in my ears that I'm not hearing everything else. Now, the next thing we're looking at is our controls. We have play and pause, next, back, and these are even used for answering or not answering phone calls. And if you press and hold the center button, a voice assistant will come up. Let's hit all set, and we're ready to go. In the Bose app, we can adjust the volume, you have tips, the equalizer to adjust your bass and treble levels, and more. You can even set up your shortcut button to tell you your battery level or to start playing Spotify. Now, let's head on over to Spotify and test out the audio of these headphones. I'm testing the headphones with this song Bang by AJR. I'm going to skip ahead a little bit. Oh yeah. These sound really good. It might be a little bass heavy, but luckily with the equalizer in the Bose app, we can customize that. But I want to know now, how does it sound for podcast? Let's go ahead and listen to episode of my movie podcast show, the Wannabes podcast. I'm going to skip ahead to be through the intro. Podcast audio sounds great too. Yeah, that's great. Overall, the Bose QuietComfort headphones are light and sturdy on the head. They sound good, and that noise cancellation gets the job done. I do find their price point of $350 a little steep, but in all, I'm still really happy I bought these. I think they're stylish. I love the green color they come in, though there are plenty of other color options available. And honestly, I can't wait to wear them while traveling. I do think these are a really well-rounded product.